Today we're checking out this tree set, professional grade titanium cutting boards. This cutting board is designed to be used on different types of food, and they also list down all the benefits on why you should use a titanium cutting board. And this is also included in the packaging that gives you more information and after sales support. By the way, this product was sent to me by the manufacturer for the purpose of this review. And this cutting board is wrapped with a plastic protection, so take note of that when you receive this product. And this 3-pack cutting board comes in 3 sizes: a 10 by 6 inches, a 13 by 8, and a 16 by 10 inches. Compared to those thick plastic and wood cutting boards, these cutting boards are so slim that it will just lay flat on your kitchen drawers. The handle of these cutting boards have a notch right at the center, which will prevent them from sliding side to side if you choose to hang them. Having a titanium cutting board is highly hygienic because of its natural antimicrobial properties. And because titanium is a non-porous material, it will not grow any molds, nor corrode or rust, and it will remain odorless and stain-free, unlike wood or plastic cutting boards. This professional grade cutting board is so durable that it will not crack, chip, bend, or warp. And it's so easy to clean, and it's also dishwasher safe. And with its elegant packaging, this is an amazing gift for any occasion. So guys, this is the 3-set professional grade titanium cutting board. Get yours today, and thanks for watching.